Welcome Delicacy Pinoy. Today, we're baking a bibingka, the celebratory rice cake traditionally eaten around holidays. And it's good for breakfast and everyday snacks. Our ingredients: 2 cups of rice flour, 1/2 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of unsalted butter or margarine, 1 1/2 cups of coconut milk, 3 eggs lightly beaten, 1 banana leaf, optional, 1 salted duck egg, sliced, optional, 1 cup grated queso de bola or cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup of grated coconut for topping, optional. Preparation: heat oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk together rice flours, baking powder, salt and sugar. Make a well in the center and pour in melted butter, coconut milk and eggs. Whisk mixture until smooth. Wash and dry banana leaf if using, and line a 9-inch cast iron skillet with it. 1 leaf should be enough, but if more are needed, make sure to overlap leaves so there are no gaps. Butter the leaf and trim edges, leaving a 1 to 2 inch overhang. Alternatively, generously grease skillet with butter. Pour mixture into skillet and bake for 15 minutes. Remove from oven and top with salted egg and cheese. Return skillet to oven until bibingka is golden and brown, and use a toothpick inserted in center, comes out clean. Within 20 to 25 minutes more, brush with more melted butter and sprinkle with coconut if desired. The bibingka is now ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe Delicacy Pinoy.
It's like that. It's like that, y'all.
I can lay my head on your shoulder and
Right.
what else can I do?
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Nina.